I am here doing a video on the Optimus Prime NASA spin-off video contest. Now, a NASA spin-off is something that has resulted from a NASA technology that has been very helpful to us here on Earth. Now, they could develop from anything, like certain missions, such as they developed some type of eyewear that protects your eyes from UV rays better than it used to, but it doesn't darken. Now, that's not the one I'm telling you about, but that's an example. Now, they've done it for many things. You mean you go, and they go on a mission, and then they create a technology to go on a mission, and then they realize, oh wait, we could use this down at Earth, and it would be even better. So, the one that I've chosen is, it's a product called ChemScan, and what it does is it analyzes water quality, so it can tell us what's in it, so then we know how to purify it right. So whenever you take a drink of water now, you can realize, ChemScan probably scanned that for me. So, this thing developed because NASA was planning on possibly sending people to Mars one day. So they thought, how do we do something like that? And then they got this great idea. Let's send plants with them. But then thinkers got together again and said, wait, we can't do that. We don't have soil. Soil's too heavy to send into space like that. But plants are the only way, right? The thinkers got together again and said, they are. But we need to find a way to grow these in outer space because they provide water vapor back into the air that we can collect and drink, and they provide food, and they provide a constant supply of it. So this is what we need. So then they decided to come up with a hydroponic solution to grow these plants in. Now, a hydroponic solution is a mixture of minerals and things that the plants need to survive. It's like Miracle-Gro on steroids, and it doesn't use soil. So, basically, what they did was they created the solution so in the eventuality that we might go to Mars someday, we can. And we can have plants to go there too. So, what resulted from this was they needed a way to scan these hydroponic solutions to figure out what was in them, and figure out what to put in them, what to take out of them, how to feed the plants right. So they developed a machine that would analyze them using wavelengths of light, ultraviolet and visible light, to scan the solutions to figure out what was in them so we could tell what we need to do with them. So then they decided to apply it to city water because they thought this would be a great idea. So now what they've done is, back in the day, I don't know, before ChemScan came out, which was not too long ago, they decided that we have to go to the source, draw out little bitty samples, and then take them back to the lab, and then scan them, analyze them, figure out what's in them, and then program the filtration system. So now what ChemScan does is it takes these samples from there, from the source, it analyzes them better than we used to. It sends information back so we can figure out how to program the filtration system. And it does it faster, more efficiently, better than what we used to. And it just works a whole lot better than having all these people do it. And it's a lot more energy efficient too. So this is overall much better than we used to do. And it all came about because of NASA. So now you just know a little bit more about the world and what NASA is about. Goodbye.